Oh, good morning. What we got here is a little X-Force. It's 12 pill. And if you guys could see where I started and where I ended up, Mr. Mystery Man out of California sent this up for me to take a quick look at. He had me replace these 4 transistors, completely rebuild these sections. Somebody come along, they pulled the combiner and the splitter out, they turned it into a straight 8. We don't know why. But I went back in here and restored it the way it was. Had a little bit big power wire to it, added some capacitors to it, built a new input splitter, new output combiner, threw in a doorknob, redid the output tune, actually tapped the coil so it was the right inductance, and voila, we have a fully functional 12 pill. Let's make our loop around the band. It's a 1000 watt slug. We're in 5x position, 5 watt slug in reverse, 5 watt slug in reverse, Striker 955, and the BBI 2 pill bench amplifier. I'm gonna kick that puppy on. Grab Dale microphone, and on 14 volts. Hello, audio. Pardon me, we're in 1x apparently. We're gonna swing just short of 500 watts into this little 12 pill. We're gonna see what happens. First, I'm gonna shut that off, turn this on, click this down to 5x, and now it's just the radio going through the bird meter, through the 2 pill, into the 12 pill. Hello. Hello. That's our input tune. And with 80 watts of drive, we're getting on 5x now. Hello. About 1800 watts. I click the 2 pill on, and we've got the variable wide open. So we'll key about 500. Hello, BBI. We're going to swing to 2900 watts. Pretty straightforward. Hello, BBI. Hello, BBI. It's looking like we're getting about a half a watt back out of the dummy load. It's pretty much in match. Good input SWR, good voltage, good output watts. Hello, BBI. Yep. Mystery Man out of California. Your shop 12 pill is ready to go. I'm gonna do one other thing. I'm gonna take and flip the fans over so they push air in instead of pulling air out. Air go in. It's easier to pressurize a cabinet than it is to pull a vacuum upon it. So the laws of physics. That and the airflow going straight down, going across the components and wrapping across the heatsink works better. At least in my humble opinion. So we'll get that squared away for you, put the tin on it. It's on its way home today. My name is BBI, and without a shadow of a doubt, I am the biggest mud duck in Idaho. Come check us out, www.bbiamps.com. I see ya. Bye.